what I could do with what I got. And now I'm just trying to be like, okay, God, I see what you could do, right? And then now I just want to see if I do this, like where you could meet me at there. Because, you know, that's how God do us. Like, he kind of go with you. He see where you going, and then he meet you there. So if you right here, he gonna meet you right there. If you right here, he gonna meet you right there. If you go up a little bit, he gonna meet you right there. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sadie's. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and thumbs up this video so that you do not miss an upload. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I love y'all so much. So if you are new on this channel, we pretty much do beauty videos, fashion hauls, some vlogs, and then I do like makeup tutorials here and there, but not really. So yeah, if y'all got questions on this hair, I do have a video up already about this hair with a coupon code, so make sure y'all check them out. So on today's video, I'm actually gonna be doing a get to know me video, because in the comment section of one of my other vlogs, y'all was saying like y'all wanted get to know me tags. So I kind of like looked up some questions that I could answer for y'all, and like so y'all could kind of like get a little personable with me. I did one of these videos a while back, but it's been a minute, and so I guess like now with new supporters coming in, y'all kind of like, okay, I like that channel, but like what's she about, like what she do, what she, I get it, because I'm kind of like that too. When I watch people, like I'll come across a new YouTuber and I'll be like I'll be going back in their old videos, I'm trying to figure out where they live at. I'm like, oh, they got a nice apartment, where that's at, like is that in Atlanta, is that Houston? So I get it. So I'm like, okay, cool, I like that, we could do that. This video is also going to be sponsored, so y'all make sure y'all shop with my peoples. This video is actually sponsored by my friends over at Lvioe. I hope I'm saying this right. It is Lvioe. They are actually a sunglass company, and they were so nice to go ahead and collaborate with me and send me some goodies, y'all. Y'all know I love me a good pair of sunglasses. On my site, it's actually gonna be a lot of stuff on there, like different accessories and stuff, but I love me a good pair of sunglasses, so make sure y'all shop with them. I'm gonna show y'all a few of the options that they sent me while we talking and stuff like that, so y'all can see. But this is one of the boxes. I'm gonna just go ahead and open this up so you guys can kind of see what it comes with. They have glasses too as well, like seeing glasses. Check that out. So let me just show y'all what comes in the box. This is how the box comes, and this is what comes in it. So you got your glasses that's like fully covered up, and then you have like a little manual, some stuff like this. You gotta clean it to clean your glasses, and this is one of the pair I have not opened up yet. They're so cute. It covers up. And these actually really block the sun. So this is one right here. Cute. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna show, as I'm talking, I'm gonna show y'all that. So that's one pair right there. Everything gonna be linked in the description box, and y'all gonna have a coupon code. So yeah, if y'all planning to go having a New Year's little vacation, make sure y'all shop with them. So pretty much these was my favorite pair right here. Let me tilt my body like this way so I don't have to keep turning and you guys could kind of see. Okay, so let me turn my light down a little bit. Wait, no, that light was good right there. Okay, so period, look at these. So I'm from Miami. I still live in Miami. I'm ready to move out of Miami. I want to be out of here in like another year or so. That's my goal. I am going to be out of here in another less than a year. I'm going to be out, period. Like, remember I said that, okay? We'll talk about where I'm going and all that later. But yeah, I'm from Miami. I am in my later 20s. I'm in the 25 and up gang. I'm not 30 yet, but I just kind of don't want to share my age. Like, I'm just going through like, I'm in a point where I kind of like don't want to tell my age, because I be feeling like people be trying to put me on a, like, why you ain't got kids yet? Why you ain't doing, like, I feel like that. Like, people trying to throw me into this grown old lady life already because, like, I'm in my later 20s. Like, no, Not my family, but I feel like sometimes outsiders try to project that on me. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, So, but yeah, so if that's okay with y'all for now, I prefer to keep that a secret, but I am over 25, okay? Don't I look good for my age? So, these was my favorite glasses, y'all. So, make sure you go shop with them. These is real cute. I like these. You need you some good black glasses. So wait, did I show y'all these already? I don't know if I did, but let me show y'all these. These was my favorites too. And then sometimes and they're super affordable too. And sometimes you kind of don't want to go so high end because, you know, sometimes these glasses get scratched up and stuff. And you don't want to be that girl like messing up your glasses and stuff. These are another pair, so cute. I really like these. Let me show y'all these. But so yeah, so I don't have any children. Yay me. This is the last pair, right? Don't y'all worry about the thing. Y'all, oh my god, I just almost had a malfunction. My camera, everything almost just fell. So this is the last box I'm opening up. These are all the cuties that they sent me. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. So let me take this out, y'all. Sorry. And I got a little bin right here for my trash. So yeah, I don't have any kids or whatever right now. My main focus is just like me, my family, and like just reaching my goals, achieving my goals, and doing what I need to do. That's my security system always going off. Oh, these are a vibe. Oh, definitely giving. Did I try these on before? Maybe I didn't try them on with this hair, but it's definitely giving. Definitely giving. So I don't have any kids or whatever because, like I said, my main focus right now is to just do what I need to do. And I feel like sometimes as women, we let society and people force us to be in things that we don't need to be in. Like, your life is not incomplete because you're not a mother or you're not married and different things like that yet. Like life is still worth living without that. You get what I'm saying? That's a blessing, that's a beautiful thing, but it's still other things in life that life has to offer outside of being a mama, okay? Like, you get what I'm saying? And I think for me, like, I'm not rushing motherhood because I've been a mama since I was a child. I've been a mama since I was 8 years old. I learned how to cook, y'all. I'm telling you, this is no lie, this is real talk. I learned how to cook when I was in the 4th grade. My mama told me how to clean chicken. This was before I was like using the stove like that. So I just used to clean it with lemon and vinegar. But that's before I started using the stove and boiling it. But I learned how to cook baked chicken. This is the only meal I know how to cook. Baked chicken, minute rice, and green beans. I think that's why green beans is my favorite vegetable because that's all I used to cook. And then I used to make noodles. I make like the best noodles because that's what we used to be eating. And like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, bologna sandwiches on the stove with mustard, turkey and cheese sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches. You know, because my mom was a single mom, so I had to learn how to cook. Like, so when I was 8, I learned how to do all that. I learned how to wash. My mom wrote us down instructions on how to wash. Then like when I learned how to drive when I was 13. Then my little brother, which is, I think he's 5 years younger than me, he was into sports or whatever. So when I learned how to drive, I got my car like in 10th grade, I think. But besides that, I was driving my mom's car. So my mom used to be doing hair. I used to be taking my little brother to all his games and practice and stuff like that. Then when I turned 18, when I had first graduated, my auntie baby stayed with us. He was a small hen baby. And because she was finishing her last year of college. I was coming out of high school, she was coming out of college. So her baby was staying with us or whatever. And like just seeing how we used to have to get up early in the morning. Like he was a real good baby though. Like compared to a lot of babies I done seen, he was a good baby. But still, he still used to wake up early, like, you know, like a baby schedule. So I had to like grow up fast in that sense. So I think that part of my life, I'm like, listen, y'all gonna let me enjoy my 20s baby free and stuff. And you know, if that comes in my later 20s when I'm like 28, 29, 30, I'm okay with that. But like for now, like, let me live. But so yeah, that's that. So right now, I'm in school. I go to Florida International University. Go Panthers. I'm doing my bachelor's right now. And my major is mass communications and media design. So yeah. Well, technically, they put it under, but it all kind of like falls under journalism, but mass communications. So yeah, and my hopes with my degree is to like, my last thing on my list is like PR or whatever. My first thing is like a T. I do act. Oh my god, am I stuttering? Like, am I really stuttering? Like, girl, act like you talked to people before. Okay, so I do acting, I do modeling, However, because I'm here in Miami, like it's just not enough stuff as far as African Americans in the media, in the industry world, like down here outside of like Love and Hip Hop. No shade to Love and Hip Hop, like that's cool. Like I'll be on Love and Hip Hop if they ask me, you get what I'm saying? But like, you know, I want to do like TV. Like I kind of want to put my ideal career is kind of like how Lala did her thing, Lala and Terrence J, like the media, the hosting the BET Awards, the Hip Hop Awards, the what you call that channel, that E channel with all the awards show. I want to do that, like hosting, like, hey, I'm Sadie's Milan, and today I have Megan Thee Stallion with me. You know, it's your girl. So I want to do something like that, and then I also want to do acting as well. Yeah, and I just want to continue modeling. Like next year, one of my goals is to, I have a big board, like when I was, it's in my room, when I was I modeled for this hair company. So I did, my mom is a hairstylist, a licensed cosmetologist. So for years I always been like into hair shows, getting my hair done, changing my hair, and I used to do a lot of modeling for hair companies. And this was before it even became a big thing on Instagram. This was like in real life in the hair stores, hair packages, like I'm on hair packages and everything. So my goal next year is to get back into that. I've been working with a lot of companies as far as like hair and stuff, but sometimes these companies on YouTube, they don't want to pay, so sometimes I just don't do it. Like, I'm sorry, it costs to do this. It costs me to put on my makeup. As a matter of fact, I'm running out of foundation right now, and I gotta go pay $48 for foundation, and you want me to do a free video for you? No. So yeah, so that's one of my goals, to really get back into that, like modeling for like big brands that's in the store and stuff, just to like put my face back out there. What was I gonna say? So what do? I am a content creator here on YouTube, and I do a lot of stuff on TikTok. I trip out on TikTok too, but it's a lot of stuff that I'm doing, like you don't really realize that I'm promoting stuff, but I always like put the coupon codes in my videos. I have a business in my mom. I do makeup, I do eyelash extensions, and I also do microblading. So yeah, that's what I do. And what else? Oh, my cosmetic line is launching February 2022. It was supposed to be launching this month for the holidays, but there was a little bit of discrepancy, and I just feel like I know everybody pushing their businesses, people like rushing to put their stuff out there, but for me, like with my first business, I had like a few businesses. I started with t-shirts, and then I got into like the beauty industry. When I first started out like with makeup and stuff, I only had lashes, and I had them 2 lip glosses. And like I remember my mom telling me, my mom and my dude was telling me, like, just do the whole thing. Like, why you just doing that? Like, why you don't take yourself to a whole nother level and just do the whole brand, like concealers, everything. Like, so that's what I decided to do. So I'm bringing a whole full line cosmetic company, and I am also doing handmade skincare. So I've been working a lot of, like, that's why I haven't been wearing makeup that much outside of when it's time for me to film, because I've been working on a lot of like skincare things. So let me show y'all a few of my samples. So like, for example, let me tell y'all one of the reasons why it wasn't launched this month. So I know y'all have seen these tubes everywhere, right? Let me see. Y'all seen these tubes everywhere, right? No. Cashbox was not gonna be this. My brand colors are pink, white, and silver, but it was not gonna be this. I know y'all done seen this. It was never gonna be you. It was never gonna be you. So yeah, these are a few of my lippies. And it's 2 more colors. I don't know what they get. But so when y'all see me wearing my lip glosses, this is what I'm wearing. And then I'm also, I'm in a mess right now, y'all. I also have brow dips. See, you don't got nobody's name on it. They're all like me. And then I also have concealer. So, and then this is actually one of my palettes. I was doing a contour palette as well. That's gonna be coming as well, but let me show y'all. Isn't these colors pretty? Let me see. Y'all can see I've been using it, right? So, and this is like perfect for me, because these are a lot of the colors that I use, and especially like y'all know I travel a lot, so I wanted to make a small palette like specifically for my needs, because listen, and this I like it because it could be a contour shade, and then I like this because it's a shimmer. It could be a highlight, it could be anything. Like, it's so pretty. Let me show you. See that? So So yeah, so that's what I'm doing as well, because I've been working behind a chair for a long time as far as like working in the beauty industry. I've been doing it for a little minute, right? So I kind of want to position myself now that I'm like, I want to come from behind the chair and like really fully engage into pushing my brand, Cashbox, giving my attention to YouTube, as well as getting back into acting and modeling like fully. And sometimes, and although even as an entrepreneur you kind of get to make your schedule, it's still a lot of twists and turns with that, just like having to be there, you know. And it's kind of like what people say, like when you have a business and you actually have to work for your money, then it's kind of like you just left your job to work another job, kind of like that. But it's more so something that you enjoy, you know. You get to make your own schedule, you got a little bit more leisure, you can kind of like get up and go. So yeah, that's pretty much it about me. And then right now, like as far as just like what I'm doing, I'm just like really trying to position myself like for better. Like I've seen what I could do with what I got, and now I'm just trying to be like, okay God, I see what you could do, right? And then now I just want to see if I do this, like where you could meet me at there, because you know that's how God do us. Like he kind of go with you. He see where you going, and then he meet you there. So if you right here, he gonna meet you right there. If you right here, he gonna meet you right there. If you go up a little bit, he gonna meet you right there. So that's what I'm kind of like doing. I'm trying to like test my faith and put myself out there more, and that's what I plan to do next year, like just being more like open. I travel a lot out of the country, but I want to travel more in the States too. I want to do that next year. And just really like working on my branding myself better. Like I could be so much further, but I know like branding and marketing is everything. Like for example, people like to downplay like, oh, Jada and Ari and those girls, like those it girls, but like they really got their branding and marketing like down pat. Like that's why Jada could charge $40,000 for a post. Did I say 40,000 for a post? You get what I'm saying? Like that's lit. Like what? That's somebody's yearly salary. Like that's lit. So that's pretty much how I want to position myself, and just pretty much brand myself better. But that's pretty much it. So my plan, like with YouTube for next year, I want to do more. I'm gonna do definitely more hauls. Like my channel is gonna consist of a lot of hauls, just because I see that's what y'all want. We're gonna do like some get ready with me's, definitely vlogs, and more entrepreneur vlogs. Like I see y'all like that. And then oh my god, I got some new fragrances. I'm gonna do a fragrance updated video. Let me know if that's something that y'all want to see. Definitely could do that for y'all. And what else? That's pretty much it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's pretty much me right now. I ain't been hanging out like that. Outside of traveling, I'm just working on myself. I'm bettering myself. I think I'm gonna go to therapy next year. I'm just trying to work on myself from the inside on out. And especially being that I'm in my older 20s, I know that I'll be having children maybe in the next 2 or 3 years. I want to be in an amazing financial space. Like don't get me wrong, I live a great life and God has truly blessed me, but I want more. You get what I'm saying? Like I just want more, you know. So, and I just want to be a better person, like even on the inside, so that when I start my own family and I start having children and I become a mother, I'm able to, you know, I'm able to be there emotionally for my children. I'm not getting agitated. Like I'm not dismissing their feelings. I'm not, you know, I just want to really be there. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what's going on with me. I'm not single. I don't know if I said that I'm not single. And that's pretty much it. I hope this answered all y'all questions. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all shop with my friends over at Lvioe. I hope that's the name. This is definitely giving. So thank y'all so much for supporting me. We just hit 9,000. I'm so excited about that. Like, we almost hit 10K, and I just feel like next year I could be anywhere from 50K to 100K. I know God can do some amazing things, but I know that I have to do the work. So I'm planning on doing the work. So yeah, I will see y'all in this next video. Love y'all so much. On our way to 10K and up.